Defining and quantifying good sleep is a complicated question. There are certainly individual differences between sleepers. One thing we know is that our memory is not online when we're sleeping. So we can't just necessarily wake up in the morning and have a complete idea of whether or not we got a good rest. We might not even know for sure until the afternoon when we either continue to feel energized or suddenly feel tired. We can put habits in place that we know are likely to enhance our opportunity for good sleep. And we will begin to see, especially if we continue this over a period of time, we'll begin to see that our patience, our energy level, our creativity are enhanced. So how do we know? It's not the easiest question. There's actually some work being done to look at biomarkers. How can you tell, other than from the person's own report of their sleep, how tired they are? If someone's driving drunk, for example, they can pull them over and they can do a breathalyzer. But we can't do a fatigalyzer. We can't tell if someone is driving tired for sure how tired they are. Something that scientists are working on now. What are the markers of someone who's underslept? Seems like they blink differently. It seems like their balance might be a little bit off. Those are very immediate kind of biological markers. But then there's the sort of longer term impatience, lack of frustration tolerance, sort of disinterest. Other things that happen too that surprise people, sometimes an increased appetite. People who aren't getting enough sleep actually have imbalances in their appetite and satiation hormones, which means they feel hungrier, but they don't feel full. Their body actually thinks they're in the middle of an emergency, and so changes the energy balance so that they want more food and hold on to more fat. People are stunned when they hear this. They say, wow, I get up at 5 o'clock in the morning to go to the health club. You mean it might be better if I got more sleep? And I have to say, yeah, it might be better. It might be better if you got enough sleep, for starters.